Now we plug the wire for heating. That's the plug. It's no problem.
我调好个1分钟。
你看看它到温度是不是啪一下跳了？看这个不这个也到了，好。When the time get to set time, this light will alarm the vulcanizing process finish. Now we adjust the temperature. We set it 145 Celsius degree.
对行。
Now it's up limit, also 145 Celsius degree.
这是现在的温度，实时温度。上下限值。上下值。测量温度现在。
现在是 now we show how to use this water hose fast joint. Press this down, add pressure through this hose. Add pressure to the water to 0.5 MPa. Close. Now the pressure is 1.8 MPa. And this is under this high pressure. See, the water bag is very good. The add pressure is finished. Now it's water cooling hose. This is 3-way water cooling for up and down heating plate. See, cooling water come out here from this two hose. Water out from here. This is water fast cooling for water pressure bag. This is our water pressure bag. Rubber tube quality is very good. It can add pressure to the edge of the rubber bag. Now we release the pressure. We pull this hose down, plug this hose, release water. The pressure goes down. This pressure is exhaust the water here. But when we use the machine add pressure, we turn it upright. This one is for exhaust air.